Step inside a home where old charm meets quirky elegance. With layered textures, playful antiques, and cozy details, every corner feels collected, personal, and full of character. Rita Konig, a highly regarded interior designer known for her fresh, traditional style, brought her signature, quirky charm to this stunning home design. This particular residence, originally an 1870s YMCA summer camp, underwent a significant renovation and expansion. Konig collaborated with architect Gil Schafer and landscape designer Friederike Müller to transform it into an eclectic family home. Konig's approach to this project, as with many of her designs, emphasized creating spaces that feel lived in and deeply personal rather than overtly decorated or trendy. She focused on layering colors and textures to achieve a calming environment that seamlessly blends old and new elements. For the Mill Valley home, this involved retaining the original cabin feel while adding new family rooms and bedrooms, ensuring the new structures fit within the existing fabric of the old house. In this home, She sought out items that would lend character and warmth, even unexpected oddities like a ship in a bottle or a stuffed seagull. She believed these small, deliberate details are what truly bring a house to life. This curated approach ensures that a home feels collected over time, rather than merely styled or propped. Specific design choices in this home included upholstering the master bedroom walls in Raoul textiles. The design also featured a massive Hugo Guinness print and a clawfoot tub in the master bath, along with a traditional sofa reupholstered in floral Raoul textiles in the family room. She also used industrial light pendants to add a youthful touch to traditional elements, and even painted floorboards to offer a unique alternative to checkerboard tiles. Konig's design philosophy prioritizes comfort and individuality, striving to create welcoming interiors that reflect the unique taste and life of the homeowners.